Today, the plumbers arrive and rough in all the plumbing for the bathroom. At the House Edition. Welcome to House Edition. So this morning, I just got over here with the shower pan and the diverter, and the plumbers have already started. They've roughed in most of the bathroom already. I'll walk you through some of it. So here they've got all the water lines roughed in, and they've even got the stack for the vent, and it even goes through the roof already. So I'll have to get up on the roof today and boot that out so it's waterproof. It's the drain for the vanity. The toilet's roughed in, and they've even got the water lines roughed over for the shower and the head. It's all ready to go. So the first thing is I need to cut this hole in the floor for the plumbers to get their access for the shower pan. So now I got this floor opened up. They'll run those water lines over here, and they'll come up inside of this wall to finish it out. Okay, so now I gotta run up to the store, because what I need to do is in that trench, I'll install the sheathing back, to cover that section of the floor up. And then I'll put a piece of 1/2-inch Hardie on top of that. And then we'll set the shower pan on top of that. And I'll use some mastic glue type, and I'll trowel that down with a small trowel, and that'll glue it down. That'll never come out ever. So normally I wouldn't use 1/2-inch, but you can see there's a tremendous gap underneath this level. It's quite a big gap here. You can see the daylight coming through. That means this floor, this joist right here, is drooping a lot. So I'm going to use the 1/2-inch just to try to firm the floor up. So I just went to the store, and I got this 1/2-inch Hardie. Plus I got this mastic. I'll use that to glue the shower pan down. And I got a little throwaway trowel just to trowel the mastic down. Most importantly, I got lunch. I got you. All I gotta do is shoot this down and cut that. Okay, so we got a shower pan installed now. We've water tested it. I even installed the 1/2-inch Hardie below that, so it should all be ready to go. At this point, the bathroom is roughed in. The vanity's roughed in there, and we got a toilet rough in with a stub coming out of the wall. And now we have a shower with a diverter. So I got a little delayed, so now it's getting a little late. So rather than get directly into the Hardie here, I think I'm gonna go up on the roof first, and I'm gonna cut out for the pipe boot and get that installed, and then I'll see how that plays out. I'd really love to install this bath vent. I installed the one over here for the old existing bathroom, but I want to go ahead and set this one for the new bathroom. And then all they'll have to do is run the duct up and tie into it later. This is pretty straightforward. You just take this flashing. Done. Okay, so this one's complete. Okay, well that was pretty painless. I got that bath fan installed and the plumbing stack. So, at this point, unless something goes seriously wrong, I don't need to get up on this roof. So everything seems to be aligning, at least for the schedule. The plumbers came in today, and they knocked this whole bathroom out in like 5 hours. So it's all roughed in now, and everything's live and ready to go. The vents even through the roof. I was able to get up and do the roof boot and do the vent fan, the flapper for the bath fan. So in the future, we don't have to get on the roof for anything. Tomorrow, we're going to have bad weather. I think I'm going to take count of studs that I think I'll need, quantity-wise, and make sure I have enough in here so I don't have to be bringing them in tomorrow during the weather, because it's supposed to be like snow and then going to rain, so it's going to be pretty nasty. So I hope you'll join me in the next clip where we get the rest of the framing dealt with, and then we're ready for the HVAC, the ductwork guys to come in and do what they need to do. So I'll see you then.